hallway community, the 4th or 5th of April. I'm going to prepare for the left side here. I take away the dog leg yet. And over here. So, as I've shown before, this is premature insulated and also this one, as it look here inside. I come to remove everything afterwards again. And what I want to do now is I take this, you call it a chicken bone. I remove that from the left side also, because I took it away on the right side. As I see, I have some small work to do below here on the downside, and also remove the body protection as I have done on the right side. And look how it looks like for rust beneath the protection. So I show you when I have take off the chicken bone. I'm coming back later, okay. Wat. So guys, at least I finished to remove the steering unit from my valve. So I have to do something cleaning up it before I put it on the storage it in my workplace. And so, but it looks so far very good. It's dirty, but it will be nice. No damage, nothing at all. So I didn't move the tensions here and there, so it's on the same place. Okay, bye.